Unit 5. Free time. Lesson 2. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to present and practice the present simple first-person singular for free time activities, and to review days of the week. Before we proceed, let's review the days of the week. Let's read the days. Listen and repeat. Monday. I go swimming. Tuesday. I play computer games. Wednesday. I ride my bike. Thursday. I play football. Friday. I do my homework. Saturday. I play the piano. Sunday. I ride my pony. Activity 1. Listen and stick.
Hi, I'm Sandra. I ride my bike on Sundays.
I'm Pat. I play the piano on Mondays and Fridays.
My name's Maria. I play football on Thursdays.
My name's Oliver. I ride my pony on Tuesdays and Saturdays.
Hi, I'm Bill. I go swimming on Wednesdays and Fridays.
Activity 2. Listen and say.
I go swimming on Mondays. I play football on Saturdays.
Please note that this is Mondays and this is Saturdays. Mondays is every Monday, and Saturdays is every Saturday. We put S at the end of the word Monday to show that the activity is done every Mondays. We put S at the end of the word Saturday to show that the activity is done every Saturdays. Let's practice. Put the words in order.
I ride my pony on Saturdays. I play the piano on Fridays. I ride my bike on Wednesdays. I play computer games on Tuesdays. I play football on Mondays.
Activity 3. Look at the picture. What do you think they are doing? Yes. They are talking about their activities every Mondays. Listen to the example.
I ride my pony on Mondays. What about you? I ride my bike on Mondays.
Listen again and repeat.
I ride my pony on Mondays. What about you? I ride my bike on Mondays.
Now, work in groups and take turns to talk about your activity on Mondays or any other days of your choice. You may use the following key phrases.